So for today's video guys ay papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano tayo dito makapag-withdraw kay Memon Party. So kailangan natin dito guys is makaipon tayo ng 100,000 beans or 10 US dollars. So beans po guys ang kikitain natin dito. Okay, so kung nakikita nyo guys sa aking dashboard, nakalikom na ako ng 600,000 beans or 60 US dollars. So, i-click nyo lang guys itong exchange. Ayan. And then dito guys, meron ditong options na exchange or withdraw. So, mag-ingat kayo guys na wag nyo ito maklik yung exchange kasi automatic yan ma-convert into coins. Okay, so, i-click na itong withdraw. And then guys, kung makikita nyo dito, meron total amount for withdrawal, amount to be confirmed, at withdrawal amount. So, dito guys, kapag yung amount nyo nasa amount to be confirmed pa, ay kailangan maghintay muna kayo ng 24 hours para yung amount nyo ay mapunta dito sa withdrawal amount. So, kinabukasan mo pa siya pwede i-withdraw. So, kapag yung amount nyo guys nasa withdrawal amount na, ay pwede nyo na ito ma-withdraw. So, yung withdrawal method pala dito guys, mayroong GCash, ayan, EP, USDT, bank card, or PayPal, Onion Bank, BDO. So, yung bagong update nila guys is meron na po ditong Maya account. Okay? So, kung nasa Pilipinas ka guys, ito po yung withdrawal method. So, kung nasa ibang bansa ka naman, example guys, dito sa Singapore, ayan. So, ito po yung withdrawal method niya. So, ngayon guys, dito sa withdrawal amount, ilagay nyo lang kung magkano ang i-withdraw nyo. Then, i-click nyo lang itong withdraw. After 2 hours guys, ay ma-receive nyo agad ang ni-withdraw nyo na earnings. So, yun lang guys, kadali dito kay Memon Party. So, yun guys, legit naman itong apps na to. So, kung gusto nyo guys mag-try itong application, i-click nyo lang yung link, yun nasa comment section ko or nasa description. Okay, so hindi na kailangan dito guys na may agency para kumita dito. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Inday Buding. Bye!